Hello, everyone! Have you ever wondered, how do I edit like United? How do I improve? In this video, I will show everything. First, open IBIS Paint X. Grab your map if you already have one. Go to CapCut. Edit and change the map from before. Edit, make a subcount. Also make your title about your topic.
Here's the important part.
Make your title different colors, based on how important the word is. Now get your font. Move the screen. Capture to the side. Cut the font that isn't in the video. Add your map. Make it fit. Add additional text if you want. Make sure the black at the front end is in front. Export your video. Well, guys, I hope this tutorial helped. So yeah, subscribe and bye.